In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation in Blender. I'm using Eevee with bloom turned on, and there are 3 spheres in the scene. The first sphere is an emitter, the second one is the background, and the last one is the particle mesh. Here are the random color nodes for the particle mesh. Here are my particle settings. Let's take a look at some of the particle options that we can use to customize the animation flow. I'll lower the subdivision level of the particle mesh to avoid the animation preview from slowing down. We have 3 settings under forces. As we can see, the Brownian changes the way our emitted particles fly. The drag setting won't do much in our animation. The damp setting will slow the animation down. This setting will also slow the particles. I have added a force field to customize the animation even further. We can control the speed and slow the particle flow by using the force field as well. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.